Hi, my name is Mike Downing. I'm the senator from District 22, representing Salem, Pelham, Atkinson, and Plastow.
That's what I'm talking about. Go dance with Jeffrey! Army of 8. Keep going, Kelly. Come on. Dance with Jeffrey. Get down with him. That's what I'm talking about. Dance party with Jeffrey. Because you guys are not loud enough. Make some noise in here, Relay Play. We're going to do a little hip action now. We're going to get loose, Nick. Pump that out, baby. Shake the hips out. Here we go. We're going to loosen up. Jump on it. Jump on it. You know it. Come on. Pirates in the house. Keep us on it. Jump on it. Jump on it. Jump on it. Come on, give me some more. Feel it. Jump on it. Jump on it. Come on, let it go. Uh-huh. Jump on it. Jump on it. Now nod your head.
Here is Dr. LaBranch. He's walking for cancer.
Hey, Dan, nice job.
Thank you. Good luck tonight.
Thank you.
style right there. He's like, I want some. That's right, JoJo. Give it up for JoJo.
It shouldn't. Unless someone runs into it.
So my name is Mark Bernard. I'm one of the managers for T-Bone's Great American Eatery.
Good, this looks very good.
We're here putting on the survivors meal for the survivors, and we're very happy to do it.
What are they having tonight?
Tonight they're having our famous chicken wings. They're having some of our great steak tips, pasta salad, rice pilaf, tossed salad, fresh sliced watermelons, fresh cut bread,
Sounds good to me.
and a couple of professionals doing it all for them.
Good.
Everybody else, come on. That's right, Dorian. Oh, what's up? Not ready? Now jump.
With me now we have.
Nancy Carney Sr.
The winners get a...
So Nancy, this is your second? Third.
Third year. We've been here from the beginning.
And this is going to be bigger and better than the last two?
It certainly is. It's amazing tonight. It's just wonderful to see the support and the town people out here and friends we haven't seen for years. And it's just a very rewarding event. A very sad one in one way, but a very rewarding one.
Now, what team are you on? I'm sure you're on your daughters.
Yes, we're the Lunatics. And, Mike Lyons is over there, and Dr. LaBranche is with us, and there's also Bob Bryant's there. And
So all those you're mentioning right now are part of the Lunatics.
the Lunatics, because they're loony enough. That's why they're with us.
So you're not saying that our town's run by lunatics, are you?
No, this is Loon.
Okay,
Because we spend the summer up on a lake, and there's always loons up there.
now we understand.
That's good. I'm glad. Well, thank you, and we just appreciate all the support that's here tonight, and everyone, no matter which team they're on, they're doing a very worthwhile job.